Alright guys, so I'm sitting here on this Sunday afternoon trying to shoot some birds. It's not working out too good because, oh, hold up, you got a little blade of grass right here. Got it. But it's not working out too good. Oh, we got one. Got him. Oh, here comes another one. Uh-huh. Oh, I got him too. Wait, no, I didn't. I missed one. You're probably sitting here wondering, well, if you hit him, why don't you go get him? Well, problem is, I'll show you in a minute. I'm shooting them from this tree that comes up over this brush. And inside that brush is nothing but briars. I've only been in there once, and that was to look for a deer. And I ain't going back in there unless I have a good brush hog. Here, and I'll show you. See, all of this, all of that, yeah, that is all briars. There's little trees and saplings there, but it's not worth it. Only thing I shot was a little tweet bird, so also I got these gone, which is actually a shovel. It's an old shovel. Okay, hold up, we got another one. Got him. Wait, nope. I did. You weren't telling like I hit him, but I didn't get him. That sucked, because probably it's wind. The wind's killing him. Oh, I hit the tree limb below him. Oh my god, what's happened? Okay, I cut that out. I cut a feather on that shot because he twirled down. And there he is again. Hold up. Yeah, he's dead. We got him now. Alright, he's dead. And I know people is gonna be like, oh my god, why are you shooting Tweety birds? Oh my god. They're such pretty animals. Well, the problem is to my right here, to my right and behind me, I have a horse. Her name is Penny. And every time we feed her, or every time we give her hay, or get a bale of hay, the birds keep on getting on it, and the birds keep on eating her feed. So I have to take these birds out because, it's not good for that bird to be eaten with that horse. Because one, if the bird eats with a horse, the bird can have, oh look, here comes one. There he is. Got him. Nailed that one. But all these birds that I'm killing is when I get my cameraman. Well, he's not my cameraman. He's actually my best friend, Augie. We'll be hunting together. So he got his own YouTube channel. I don't know if he's done any YouTube videos lately, but that's a crazy joker right there. like, you remember a few weeks or a few months back, everybody was doing the bottle flip and all? Well, me and him got our pocket knives, and we started doing these things. We was doing knife flips, and I don't know how many views it's got, but it's pretty cool. Um, go subscribe to his channel. He's a real good buddy of mine. We hunt a lot. He's probably gonna come over this weekend. It's actually, well, next weekend. We didn't get to hang out this weekend because, you know, some things happen. Not between our friendship, but just things happen on his part that I really wish wasn't happening. And I pray for what's happened. But I don't really feel comfortable telling what happened. Oh my God, there's a bunch of birds. Oh, they ain't coming. Oh, you little sapsuckers. But, yeah. But next weekend, we're definitely gonna hang out. And I'll film some more videos. I hope y'all are enjoying it. I'm filming this on my phone. I just want to feel like what it's like to actually start videoing. And I need a tripod for my GoPro. I got a GoPro, but I need a tripod for it. So, you know, it kind of stinks. But, yeah. We'll be having some videos at his house, some videos at my house. Just, you know, a lot of different things. And there's a pack of birds coming in, or a group of birds. And where are they going? You little sapsuckers. Hope here's one. Oh, he just went right past. Oh, you little turd head. Oh yeah. I'm fixing to put up a video about how these things can help you shoot. They're little clamps. Oh, yeah. You can find these at Ace Hardware. You can find them at Lowe's. You can probably find them at Walmart. Just these little clamps. Now, don't use channel locks. But I'm going to give you a little sneak peek on what happened. Is I take these and I clamp them to my barrel. Just like this. Clamp them to my barrel. I call it my redneck bipod. And it'll stand my gun up just straight as it can be. It stands it up. But this summer we'll be doing some fishing videos, and I'll probably use the GoPro for that. And yeah, the video's not over. There's a bunch of buzzards flying around me. I would shoot them, but probably not YouTube friendly. I don't know. Just getting into this. And I'm making long videos. I'm sorry, but this is not this. I'm not pausing or nothing. I'm just sitting. I mean, I'm doing what I'm doing. Like, I'm not pausing and then coming back. Like, you know, like those really good guys are doing, like John B. That's a cool dude. AP Basson, Lunkers, all of those are cool. I like those. And Outlaw, that man, he's cool to me. I like him. I had to bring a woodpecker over here. Over there, I don't shoot woodpeckers. I love woodpeckers. They're beautiful. But now you will see me raise a gun up to a woodpecker because I'll look at him through my scope. But yeah. I don't touch a trigger on a woodpecker. I like them. But yeah. These videos will be coming up a lot more. Hopefully I can get some better footage, because I'm gonna get that GoPro running and all that. And I guess I'll see you next time. And bye, copy from Colby Scott.